I gotta is grammatically incorrect. It is more of a spoken form. If you want to say this with proper grammar, the equivalent would be, I have got to, or I've got to. In the spoken form, got to is shortened to gotta, and the word have is dropped. Here are some examples. I gotta manage my money. I gotta obey the laws. I gotta move to a bigger house. I gotta impress my boss. I gotta brush my teeth. By adding the word have, you can change what you're saying to express something that needs to be done in the near future. Here are some examples. I have got to be on time to work. I've got to clean my house today. I've got to learn more about the laws. I've got to tell my wife I'll be late. I have got to try harder at school.